Stick around to discover how you can turn your awesome talents into a steady stream of income with just a few clicks. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways that make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it! I found a platform where creators can share exclusive content and make money while doing what they love. Whether you're into photography, fitness, cooking, or sharing your thoughts on your favorite shows, you could turn your passion into a paycheck. If you got an audience, you have an opportunity. This platform is Fanvue. Now, you're probably wondering, but Cece, how does the money part work? Great question. So with Fanvue, creators can earn by offering exclusive content to their subscribers. That's right, behind the scenes footage, sneak peeks, or maybe even just more of you. Your followers pay for access and boom, you're getting paid for your creativity. Fanvue is trusted by a wide range of creators, whether it be real humans or AI. One such creator is Itana Lopez, an AI fitness influencer with over 356,000 followers on Instagram. She mainly posts photos there. On Fanvue, she has been able to garner over 27,000 likes on her profile consisting of 555 photos. Someone else who's making it on Fanvue is Lana Scolaro, who is a London-born DJ. Singer, record producer, songwriter,
I'm so good, feel bad for you. I'm so good, feel bad for you. Now get your hands on my lemon.
and entrepreneur with more than 2.1 million followers on Instagram. Let's check her out. Darren Till.
Hi guys, what's happening? I'm on Fanvue now, so you can DM me on there, drop me a message. Got all my content going on there, so it's a lot of behind the scenes stuff, so jump on it with me.
Is someone else who's making moves on Fanvue. He's a former UFC fighting star.
This combination there from Till is really starting to open up another nice left hand.
With 379,000 followers on Instagram. On his Fanvue, he offers exclusive behind-the-scenes moments, training sessions, as well as his unfiltered journey outside the cage. Now, here's how you can make some money. If you're a content creator with a bit of a growing buzz, this is an awesome way to add another stream of income to your repertoire. On Fanvue, you can offer subscription pricing where you can decide how much to charge per month for fans to access your exclusive content. Prices typically range from $5 to $50 per month, but it's entirely up to you, the creator. You can also offer pay-per-view content. This might be a great option if you're a budding filmmaker, where even if someone is a subscriber, you can charge extra for premium content, such as special videos or behind-the-scenes footage. Pay-per-view prices vary, but can go from a few dollars to $100 plus for premium content. Fans can send one-time payments or tips, and creators can set minimum tip amounts. This is a great way to earn extra cash beyond subscriptions. You can even offer custom content for a set price, charging fans based on their specific requests. An example is a fitness influencer who makes custom workout videos for fans who want a routine specific to their strengths. You can also get paid from fans messaging you. Basically, Fanvue gives creators full control over pricing, allowing them to experiment with different strategies to maximize their earnings. They are the only subscription platform that combines AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics to increase your earnings. These features allow you to connect with fans 24/7, paired with tools to give you advanced insights and recommendations to improve your earnings and save you time. Use Fanvue Analytics AI to gain advanced insights and recommendations to improve your account, save you time, and increase your earnings. Okay, let's check out the website, Fanvue. Look at all the creators. Earn money from subscriptions. That is so awesome. Let me tell you, you sign up right now, you get to take home 85% of your income from Fanvue. Now let's sign up right now. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, X, Twitter, okay, known as X now, email, put a password that you can remember. You can discover creators, but more importantly, you can become a creator, okay? So let's click on Become a Creator. Now, your average creator earnings is between $3,000 and $10,000 per month. So what are you waiting for? Fanvue is a place for all creators to generate income. Let's get this money, okay? Sign up now and take 85% of the earnings, 80% after 1 month. All right, now access advanced insights to earn even more. So there's even more you can earn. So earn 5% for every creator you invite to Fanvue. It's a win-win, and you have instant verification. So let's do this. And this is really, really quick to sign up. So no hesitation, no excuses, okay? All right, let's get this. What is your country? Put your country. Very simple. How do you create your content? I'm a human, so I'm doing the human created, okay? What do you plan on creating? You have all different choices: food, fitness, gaming. So they have music, they have fashion, they have all kinds of, I'm doing real life, by the way. How do you identify? You can identify yourself. You don't even have to say if you don't want to. I put female. Set your profile picture and handle. Now I'm going to put inside your hustle, okay? So we're going to do that. But whatever your handle is, put your handle in. All right? And also, you're going to need a picture. So you're going to set up your profile with a handle and a picture. Find a cute picture, all right? Find a cute picture of yourself. Come on now. You want to get these people onto your platform, onto your information. Set your banner and bio. You want people to see you? You got to have a cute picture. So let me put a little bio. I'm going to do the banner later, but content creator, influencer, side hustle enthusiast. You darn tootin'. I'm talking about side hustles. Now, what kind of price you want to set? You can set all kinds of prices. Set your monthly subscription price for fans. Don't worry, you'll be able to change it later. I set mine at $5, but I can always change it. It all depends, but you want people to subscribe to you, you better have some fun, good reasons for them to subscribe to you, okay? Verify your identity to cash out earnings. So once you verify yourself, boom, you cashing out your earnings. This is a no-brainer. I don't know why you would wait. I don't know why you would hesitate. This is the way to go. Ready to turn your content into cash? Join me on Fanvue today and unlock exclusive perks that let you connect with your fans and earn more. Click on the link down below now. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try Fanvue. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.